Hi everybody. Today we are going to learn how to pause your Google account activity tracking. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer and navigate directly to the website address google.com. Look at the top right corner and click on your profile picture, initial icon, or Google account avatar. From there, click explicitly on the option labeled Manage Your Google Account. If you entered your main account panel, look at the left-hand navigation sidebar layout and click directly on the tab named Data and Privacy. Click on My Activity. Click directly on Web and App Activity to access your primary background tracking controls. Inside the Activity Controls configuration area, locate the Status section and click on the button labeled Turn Off. A drop-down menu panel layout will appear, offering a choice to select either Turn Off to block future tracking or Turn Off and Delete Activity to purge your historical log at the same time. Go back to the History Settings menu page, click into Timeline and Search Service History, and repeat the exact same steps to click Turn Off. The system will instantly freeze your account's tracking logging parameters, blocking Google from saving your future web searches, map locations, app usage habits, and browser history data across all your connected devices permanently. And that's it. I hope it helps you on your current and future project. Thank you for watching.